Nüüd me aga hakkame rääkima sellisest grillimise variandist, millest mina tegelikult olen juba täiesti vaimustunud. Me oleme varem ka grilljuustudest rääkinud, aga minu lemmikute hulka need ei kuulu. Ja täna me räägime juustukuningate tavalistest juustudest, mida väga-väga kavalalt saab grillida. So Erwin, you can basically take any kind of cheese you sell and grill it.
Yes, you can grill it. There are little pans like this. They call it barbecue. And you can grill. You can grill vegetables. You can grill cheese in it, and every kind of cheese you want. It doesn't matter. This is a goat cheese. We just made one with nuggets we used. I think especially for vegetarians who, let's say, also like grilling the whole procedure, but they don't like meat. And also for meat eaters, cheese is lovely on the barbecue. And melted cheese is just lovely. You can do it with what you see: tomato. These are olives and some onion.
Yeah, you can take basically whatever you want and just
whatever you want. You just put it in the pan, just slice it over. This is a goat cheese, very nice one. This is with olive and tomato.
Pizza.
It's basically like pizza. Yes, actually it is. But then you do it yourself, of course.
And you have, I know, at least, I don't know, 60 different cheeses like in your store.
60, 70 different kind of cheeses, yes.
And you can grill them all.
Yes, the best thing to do is to grill the young cheeses because they melt better. The older cheese takes a little bit more time, but the taste is of course a little bit stronger of older cheeses. Young cheeses are very good. You can take goat cheeses, whatever cheese with herbs. You can even take plain cheeses. So actually everything is good for this.
And also you have very interesting snacks and sauces there.
Yes, we have different kind of nuts in our shop. So these are two of those. There's wasabi nuts and some sugar nuts. And the kaste, what you say in Estonian?
Kaste, yes.
The sauce is Sinep Mega kaste, and it's väga huvitav. It's very good, also with the dressing of salads, but also with fish, cauliflower, raw vegetables.
And now you have also one big news because you opened your second store here in Estonia.
Yes, we opened our second shop yesterday in Nummiturk, so the market. We have a little house there.
And the other store is in Rotermanni.
In Rotermanni, yes. That's one store and I'm busy with the third store already. So. Estonians love cheese, you know.
Yes, I know.